The psychology of money. Think like a millionaire. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly accumulate wealth? What if I told you the secret lies not in what they do, but in how they think? Get ready to unlock the mindset that could change your financial future forever. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest tips and strategies for financial success. Now let's explore how the rich think about money differently from everyone else. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable insights to start thinking and acting like a millionaire. 1. Abundance mindset. One of the most powerful concepts in the psychology of money. This mindset is the belief that there is plenty of wealth to go around. People with this mindset see opportunities everywhere. They view money as an ever-expanding resource. Instead of seeing limitations, they see possibilities. This mindset encourages them to think big and aim high, to believe that wealth can be created and multiplied. With this perspective, they're more likely to take calculated risks, be open to new ventures and investments. An abundance mindset fosters confidence and optimism. It helps with staying motivated and persistent. They understand that temporary setbacks are part of the journey. This mindset keeps them focused on long-term goals. It allows them to overcome obstacles with ease. They are not afraid of competition. They see collaboration as a way to grow. The abundance mindset leads to innovative thinking. It encourages continuous learning and improvement. Adopting this mindset is essential for financial success. It transforms the way they approach money and opportunities. 2. Positive relationship with money. They see it as a tool to achieve goals. To them, money is a means to create a better life. It is not a source of stress or conflict. Their relationship with money is constructive. They view it as an enabler of opportunities. This positive outlook allows them to make wise money decisions. They are not controlled by fear or anxiety. Instead, they feel empowered by it. They use money to invest in dreams. It helps them support loved ones. This mindset is that money is a helpful resource. They see it as a way to contribute to society. This relationship fosters financial stability. They don't see money as good or evil. They see it as neutral, depending on its use. This perspective removes emotional barriers. It allows them to handle finances rationally. They are confident in their financial choices. A positive relationship with money is a key to success. This mindset helps them to grow their wealth. It enables them to have a fulfilling life. 3. Leveraging money. They invest in assets that generate passive income. Real estate, stocks and businesses are common choices. This approach allows their money to grow without active effort. Their investments earn income around the clock. They understand the power of compound interest. This strategy builds wealth over time. It's about making smart choices. Investing in income-generating assets is crucial. Even small investments can grow significantly. The key is to start investing as soon as possible. Over time, these investments can provide a steady income stream. Patience and consistency are vital. Millionaires reinvest their earnings to compound growth. They diversify their portfolios to manage risk. This ensures stability and continuous growth. Leveraging money involves strategic planning. It requires research and informed decisions. The goal is to create multiple income streams. Passive income leads to financial independence. This strategy is a cornerstone of their wealth-building approach. 4. Delayed gratification. Millionaires understand the value of patience. The rich know that wealth building is a long-term process. Instead of seeking immediate rewards, they focus on long-term goals. They are willing to wait for the big payoff. This mindset is crucial for accumulating wealth. Most avoid impulsive spending and prioritize future benefits over instant pleasure. They have the discipline to stick to their financial plans. Delayed gratification is a key principle they grow by. It helps them achieve substantial financial growth. They invest their money wisely and wait for it to increase. This approach requires self-control and patience. It's making sacrifices now for greater rewards later. They understand that short-term sacrifices lead to long-term gains. This principle applies to all areas of their lives. It's not just about money, but also career and personal goals. Delayed gratification builds resilience and perseverance. It's a skill that can be developed with practice. Set a savings goal and commit to it. Resist the urge to spend impulsively. Over time, you'll train your brain to delay gratification. This habit will significantly improve your financial health. 5. Embracing change. Millionaires understand that markets and opportunities evolve. They stay flexible and adapt to changes in the economy. They keep an eye on technological advancements. Industry trends are always on their radar. This adaptability is crucial for their success. They're not afraid to pivot when necessary. Change is viewed as an opportunity, not a threat. The rich invest time in learning new skills. Staying informed about market shifts is a priority. Study extensively and follow financial news. Networking helps them stay ahead of changes. They attend industry conferences and seminars. Engaging with experts and thought leaders keeps them updated. The rich embrace new technologies early. This helps them maintain a competitive edge. Flexibility in strategies is key. They diversify investments to manage risk. Being open to change helps seize new opportunities. They constantly reassess and adjust their goals. Continuous learning is a part of their routine. 6. Networking and mentorship. While networking isn't the primary focus for everyone, many millionaires attribute their success to the connections they've made. Surrounding yourself with successful, like-minded professionals provides invaluable insights and opportunities. Building a network of influential people can open doors to new ventures, partnerships, and ideas. Seeking out mentors who can offer guidance based on their experience helps you avoid common pitfalls. Joining groups with similar financial goals and engaging with others who share your ambitions keeps you motivated and focused. Networking exposes you to new trends and opportunities and strengthens relationships with other successful people. Effective networking and mentorship can accelerate your journey to wealth by offering support, knowledge, and valuable connections. There you have it. Key principles that define the millionaire mindset. Transforming your financial future starts with changing how you think about money. Begin implementing these strategies today, and watch how your life changes over time. An abundance mindset opens doors to new opportunities. Leveraging money through investments is a powerful tool, and building a positive relationship with money eliminates stress and fosters growth. Mindful spending ensures every dollar works towards your goals, while setting clear goals gives you a target to aim for. Remember, these principles are not just about making money but building a fulfilling, sustainable lifestyle. Your mindset is your most powerful tool in achieving financial success. Use it wisely to create the life you desire.